Okay, gather around you fervent lovers of freedom and liberty. It's high time we debunk the fallacies surrounding President Biden's relentless pursuit of electric vehicles as the sole savior for our future. This so-called green dream is but a mirage of liberal deceit and environmental hypocrisy. First and foremost, let's dispel the notion that electric vehicles are a paragon of cleanliness. Can we truly trust those who champion the environment to claim that the production of thousands of lithium batteries releases no emissions? I think not. Generating the electricity required to build these battery packs primarily depends on the burning of fossil fuels, making the environmental benefits far less appealing. Moreover, research indicates that electric vehicles are already tarnished with a significant carbon footprint even before they leave the assembly line, producing up to 60% more emissions during manufacturing compared to internal combustion engines. The irony is palpable, as the environmental warriors inadvertently harm the environment they claim to protect. Additionally, the increased tire wear caused by the excessive battery weight of electric vehicles results in particulate emissions, which apparently only matter when they do not stem from a liberal pet project. Now, let's delve into the preposterous claim from Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg that electric vehicles offer superior performance. What a farce! Allow me to remind you of the countless reports of these overpriced, underperforming golf carts failing in cold weather as their batteries drain faster than a sinking ship. The mechanical issues plaguing these vehicles are numerous, and their reliability is as consistent as a politician's promise. Furthermore, safety researchers at the University of Nebraska have conducted crash tests that reveal electric vehicles strike barriers with 20 to 50% more force due to their immense battery weight. This revelation exposes the danger of prioritizing eco-virtue signaling over safety, a hallmark of liberal policy. On the topic of misguided policy, consider the Biden administration's assertion that electric vehicles will bolster American energy independence, while 75% of global battery production capacity resides in China. China, which controls nearly half of the planet's supply of critical battery minerals and materials, is hardly a beacon of energy independence. This is a remarkable feat of mental gymnastics, indeed. Additionally, we cannot ignore the human rights abuses that accompany the production of these vehicles. The Biden administration has willingly invested millions of dollars into cobalt mining operations in the Congo, where child labor is rampant, with children as young as 6 working in deadly tunnels with their bare hands. The allure of a buzzworthy electric vehicle revolution should not blind us to the exploitation of vulnerable children. It is evident that this administration lacks integrity and principles beyond their blind devotion to climate alarmism. They are willing to overlook environmental disasters, safety hazards, human rights violations, and basic logic, all in the name of their unhinged electric vehicle crusade. But fear not, for we, the steadfast defenders of freedom and reason, will not allow this eco-terrorist agenda to prevail. If there remains a single functioning brain cell among the Biden cronies, they will reconsider this misguided climate crusade and allow the free market to dictate the pace of electric vehicle adoption. For it is the unencumbered choice of the consumer, not heavy-handed mandates, that serves the best interests of the American people. So who's with me? Let us join hands and resist the veiled lies and deception that drive this unnecessary electric vehicle disaster. Together, we shall defend freedom, champion logic, and protect the American way of life from this radical eco-onslaught. Give me liberty or give me a roaring internal combustion engine.